Achieving zero mistakes begins with a digital blueprint. We start in Photoshop to prepare the La Residencia logo, ensuring our bitmap conversion is sharp and optimized for high-fidelity engraving. In RDWorks, precision is our priority. We import the design and verify the internal parameters, ensuring every setting aligns perfectly with the material we're about to engrave. The physical setup is where the craft truly begins. We secure the rotary attachment and use a level to guarantee the glass is perfectly horizontal. This is vital for a uniform and consistent etch. Next, we move to glass cleaning and protection. A thorough wash removes oils, while a thin coat of dish soap acts as a thermal shield to prevent micro cracks during the process. With our preparation complete, we initiate the burn. The air blower remains active as the laser precisely reveals the logo, transforming the glass with professional speed and power. After a final rinse, we have the finished masterpiece. This crisp, premium result is the hallmark of Digital Dia Laser Studio, ready to elevate any high-end environment.